Hello everyone, my name is Devlet. I am a student of SGO, and today I'm gonna solve the next interesting problem in the LeetCode. The problem calls top key frequent words. The problem tells us, given an array of strings words and an integer key, return the key most frequent strings. Return the answer sorted by the frequency from highest to lowest. Sort the words with the same frequency by their lexicographical order. So the input will be like this, and the output is this. Key equals to 2, and that means we have to return only two words, and we need to order them by their quantity, and if their quantities are equal, we need to order them in lexicographical order. So in the output there is two i's and two loves, one LeetCode and one coding. So that means the two most frequent strings are I and love. And after, quantities of I and love are equal, and that's why we need to sort them by lexicographical order. In the lexicographical order, I places before the love because I is less than L. So how to solve this problem? Let's discuss. Let's discuss this example. In this example, the input is I love LeetCode, I love coding, and the key equals to 2. So as I said before, we have to count each different word. So to count them in Java, we will use map, hash map. Hash map has a key and a value, and the key should be unique. So we will take key as string. Each different word, I love LeetCode and the coding, and the value will be integer. Their quantity, for example, I is 2 because there is 2I. Love also 2. LeetCode 1 and the coding 1. So after putting the elements in the hash map, we have to order them by their quantity from the highest to lowest. So to do it, we need to use PriorityQueue. The first priority will be the quantity of keys. The second priority will be their lexicographical order. The priority queue takes two elements as an argument, for example A and B. A is I, B is love, and so on. So first of all, we need to check their quantity. If their quantity of A not equal to quantity of B, then we need to return quantity B minus quantity A. It means it will work like max heap if the return value positive, the queue puts the value of b on the parent node. So that's why we need to return quantity of b minus quantity of a, and if they are equal, we need to return them by their lexicographical order, and to do it we have to compare each string. A compare b. So first of all, it takes as an argument I and love, and after love and LeetCode, and after LeetCode and decoding, and so on. So let's solve it in the LeetCode. Let's solve this problem. As I said before, we have to create hash map to count the quantity of each word. The key will be string and the file will be integer. New hash map. So we have to get each word from array words and put it into our hash map. Map put word. I think we need to, first of all, we need to check if map contains the key, contains key word. If it contains, we will change we will change its quantity. Word map get word plus 1. Else, if map doesn't contain keyword, then we will put the 1 because it will be first. After, we have to get each key from the map. Key set. And before the getting, we need to create our priority queue. That takes in string. And it takes an argument a and b. First of all, we need to check their quantity. If their quantity map dot get a, it will return us the quantity of a is not equal to map dot get b, it will return quantity of b. Then we will return map get b minus map get a. If we return the map get b minus map get a, it will work like max heap. Else, return a compare to b. This method will return 1 if a greater than b, will return null will return 0 if a and b are equal, and returns -1 if b is greater than a. So let's continue. After we getting each key of the map, we will add them into our priority queue. PQ add k, and it checks firstly their quantity, and after, if their quantity are equal, it checks their lexicographical order. So now we have to return first key elements. To do it, we need to create a list that takes string. Let's give it ans, while chi minus greater than 0, we need to ans dot add pq dot poll returns parent of 3, and at the same time deletes it. So return ans. Let's check. A compare B. Accepted. Let's submit it. Accepted. So we have done this problem. Thank you for everyone. So goodbye. See you on the next video.